All right, guys. Welcome back to another training session from Meta Zingo, Forex Trading Academy. Okay. So, guys, I just want to begin to open our eyes to other opportunities. Okay, in the currency, trading space apart from forex. All right. So, guys, the reason why I'm doing this is because you see, beyond Friday, there are other trading activities that you can get involved in. Okay, you can actually trade the cryptocurrency market. You can also trade the synthetic indices market. All right, guys. So that from Monday to Friday, okay, if you don't have any good trading opportunity in the forex market, you could you know go over to the synthetic indices, okay, or you go over to the crypto currency markets, okay. Now, the same procedure, the same process, the same technical analysis, that you do to find out, good trading opportunities, okay, in the forex market is the same thing you apply to all these other, markets, okay. Your chart analysis, your candlestick analysis, okay, every other price action steps that you take in trading forex is still the same thing that you do um, in synthetic um, indices. Okay, so guys, I'm going to hop into my MT5. Okay, first of all, you need to know that it's only on MT5 that you can trade your synthetic indices. Okay, and one of the providers of this, one of the brokers, for this market is Derive. Okay, Derive is the most popular broker for the trading of synthetic indices, and they've been in this space for some pretty long time. Okay, so most people who trade this market, they use Derive. All right, so that's why I have an account with Derive. Okay, and that's where I'm going to start from, showing us what we need to do and how to trade it. Okay, yes. So guys, let's hop into my MetaTrader 5, to show you what is up and the things I'm developing, the system that I'm developing. Okay, in this particular area. All right. Okay, so guys, this is our MT5. This our MT5, chart. Okay, for now I will be trading VIX 25 indices. Okay, I'm on the 15 minutes chart, guys. This is a strategy I've just set up, to enable us do more work on this system. Okay, there are trades I have running. There are trades I've also, done. Okay, if you look at what we have here, this trade just closed at a profit of $2.25. Okay, I actually trade my stop loss here. I trade my stop loss here. So what I did was that I did trail and manage this trade. Okay, and when it just I guess it just pulled back and closed me in profit of $2.25. Okay, so guys, that's how you manage your trade. Okay, you don't just leave your trade to continue running. Okay, put back, hit my stop loss, but there's another opportunity to re-enter the market. So guys, you need to check that out. I need to buy this market again because there's another opportunity for me to re-enter the market. Okay, now this system is very simple. Okay, it's very simple. It's price action, guys, because these indicators that I'm using here, they are price action driven indicators. Okay, even though some of them are lagging, I have to I have to use a combination of these indicators to be able to strengthen price action, and what I'm doing here. So there are other areas of this strategy that I want to teach that you would appreciate as a plain chart, as a naked chart trader. Okay, as a naked chart trader. Okay, that is, you trade candlesticks. Okay, now, so what I did here is that I use parabolic SARS. Okay, I use the parabolic SARS to show me a change in bias in the market. Okay, now the parabolic SARS is a very powerful indicator, guys. It's a very powerful indicator, and it is not a lagging indicator. The moment price action shifts bias, okay, it will indicate and show you that and give you that signal. Okay, So I've incorporated parabolic SARS in this strategy. The other thing I've incorporated here are moving averages. Okay, now moving averages cross, okay, is one other tool, technical tool that I've introduced into this system. Okay, the third one is the MACD, the moving average divergence and convergence indicator. Okay, this is another powerful indicator that we have in the currency trading, space, or the synthetic, indices trading. Okay, now generally speaking, the MACD is a very powerful indicator if you know how to use it very well. It's very, very powerful. So guys, when you use it, try as much as possible to understand the rules of using these indicators. When you understand it, you'll be able to make very good use of them and be profitable, using them. So that is just what these indicators. These are just the indicators that I have introduced into this system. So guys, let me just teach us how to use this indicator. At the moment, I have a trade running here. Okay, so first of all, you need to manage your trade. You have to have a proper risk management in place. Okay, now the other indicator that I have incorporated here is the Ichimoku. Okay, the Ichimoku indicator. Okay, now this Ichimoku indicator, I use it here, okay, if I am using a higher time frame. Okay, but for this lower time frame, I can trade below or above the Ichimoku. Now, if you know how to use the Ichimoku properly, now Ichimoku, when price is above the Ichimoku cloud, okay, it's a buy signal. If price is below, if price closes below the Ichimoku cloud, it's a sell signal. But in this particular strategy, I use the Ichimoku indicator differently. Okay, I use it differently. Okay, so first of all, I wait for a signal to come from the parabolic SARS. Okay, now when this parabolic SARS dots open above, okay, it is a what? It is a sell signal. And if it opens below here like this, it is the buy signal. So what I do here is that when I see the first dot of the parabolic SARS, okay, I wait for the second and third dot, okay, to appear. So when they appear, I also look out for the moving averages crosses, okay, the moving average cross. Now when I see the moving average cross between each other, okay, the green one cross to the downside, crosses the white, MA to the downside, okay, I look for a sell opportunity. Okay, now for the buy opportunity, now is the green moving average, you have to cross the white moving average to the upside. Okay, now when that happens, I wait to see the parabolic SARS show three dots. Okay, then that gives me a buy trade. Okay, the other indicator that you use to support this strategy is the MACD. Okay, now initially when I entered this trade, I didn't get a MACD signal. Okay, but I got a MACD pointing towards up. Okay, now the strategy is that the MACD histogram, okay, the MACD histogram have to show. Okay, the bars have to show first. They have to come up, okay, before you can get what? A buy signal. Now, if for a sell signal, you have to see the MACD, signal line, okay, crossing down. That's this red dotted line, crossing and pointing down like this, sloping down. The histogram may not show, but it has to slope down and start pointing down. Okay, that will signal what? A sell signal. Okay, you have to add some other confirmation with these indicators, such as the moving averages cross and the parabolic SARS, dot from the upside coming down. Okay, now this is a wonderful system that I've been using for the past 3 months, and it's been working. I've used it to grow this account. Let me show us what I mean here. Okay, I've used it to grow this account. You can see this is a $10 account that I opened. Okay, this is a $10 account that I opened, and I've grown this account by $1,035. Okay, so since I opened this account, so I've not blown this account. It's supposed to be a what, a $10,000 account, demo account. Okay, I'm still testing this strategy. Okay, I'm demo testing it. Okay, or back testing as it were. So now you can see that I've made over $1,000 with this strategy. Okay, trading various indices, synthetic indices. But I've discovered that for a very small account, okay, say $100 account, you can please limit your trading to just the VIX 25 index. Okay, just limit it to the 25 synthetic index. Okay, now, and when you do that, please always use the smallest lot size, which is 0.50. Okay, the smallest lot size for this particular instrument is 0.50. Okay, so always use the smallest lot size. All right, because as a beginner trader, you have to manage your risks properly. Okay, so that's just the summary of this strategy, guys. So again, trade management is important. Now I've entered a buy trade here because the first trade that I entered has hit its stop loss when I trade it above the entry price. So I made a profit of $2.25. Okay, so when I saw that the opportunity was still there, I re-entered another trade. Okay, I entered another trade, and you can see it has made me $1 plus now. Okay, so I need to put my stop loss. I need to take this stop loss back here. I need to take this stop loss back here. Okay, and add the take profit. Okay, so I use ratio 2.5 to 1. Okay, 2.5 to 1 risk to reward ratio, or use 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio. Okay, now what I do also is that I use the average true range. Okay, I use the average true range to set my stop loss, and I will tell you what I mean by that. So what you need to do is that you need to insert your indicator, your average true range. Okay, is an oscillator. Okay, average true range. Okay, the period should be 20. Okay, put it on your chart. Okay, you can see that here the average true range here is 4.10. Okay, so what that means is that to put your stop loss, all right, you have to subtract this 4.10 from your okay, hold on a minute. Okay, I think what I did was that I adjusted the stop loss. Let me take it back. Okay, let me take it back here. All right, sorry, let me take it back. Okay, fine. So you need to subtract this 4.10 from your entry price. Okay, so when you click here, okay, you'll see that your entry price, okay, you see your entry price, from your trade here. Okay, so if you don't find it here, go back to the toolbox. Okay, check your trade. So this is the entry price. Okay, so your entry price is what? Your entry price is 1902.20. Okay, leave the last three digits. Okay, the last three digits, is a pipette. Okay, so you just take it to two decimal places. Okay, two decimal places. Now what that means is that you have to subtract this 4.10 from this price. Okay, whatever it is, that becomes your stop loss. Okay, so if I do that number, that will give me, let me pull out my calculator. Okay, if I do 1902 point 20 minus the average true rate is 4.10. Okay, so that this gives me what? This gives me 18 1898. Okay, so 1898 is the stop loss. So when you double click here, okay, 1898. 1898 is your stop. 1898. You can see it's exactly where my stop loss is now. 1898. Just put it there and say modify. Okay, boom. You can see this is where your stop loss should be. Okay, so this stop loss is put here, is calculated using the average true range indicator. Okay, all right. So when you do that, I think you are good enough. So your take profit now should be 2 times what? 2 times this value. Okay, 2 times this value. All right, added to your what? Added to your entry price. Okay, so what that means is that we're going to have 2 times this. Okay, let's just say it is 81 8 it is 8.10. Okay, so you have to add 8.10 to your entry price to be your take profit. Okay, now so what that becomes 8 point what point 10 plus you have to add this your entry price. Okay, plus 19 what 19 oh what 1902 point what point 20. So this becomes what? This becomes your take profit price. Okay, so your take profit should be at 1910.3. Okay, 1910.3. So let's put it this way: 1910. Okay, 1910 point what point 3. Okay, point 3. Okay, so this is where your take profit should be to give you a risk to reward ratio of 2:1. Okay, so this is where it is. So your stop loss is what? Your stop loss is $2.10. Okay, while your take profit is what? Is $4 5 what 5 cents. Okay, all right. So this is how you manage your trade, guys. Okay, this video I don't want it to get too long, but this is essentially how to implement this strategy. Okay, guys. So if you need more training on this, just reach out to me, and I will coach you more on how to make money using the Volatility 25 index with this my ultimate strategy. Okay, all right, guys. So that is where we'll stop for today. Test this strategy over and over again. If you need the settings, contact me directly. I will send you the settings. All right. So, guys, this is where I'll stop today. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.